Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to go ahead and unbox this 62 Ford Thunderbird. Bought this one, I don't know, 8-10 months ago now, maybe a little longer, and haven't opened it yet. It says here on the box it's got a 390 cubic inch engine, tonneau cover, probably for the convertible, I guess. BF Goodrich tires, white walls with center hubcaps. AMT. If you're interested in looking up the kit itself, it is a kit number 31649. We'll probably toss this one into what I'm probably going to end up doing with this one is just a box stock, just to kind of try to work on the skills a little bit. What I'll probably do is, I think I'm building, when this video comes out, I'll probably be in the middle of the Corvette Stingray 3 concept car. We'll probably build this one somewhere thereafter shortly. So we got, looks like everything is individually packaged. I like that. The body is in its own package. So the tires don't have bad tread. They're in their own package along with the tail lights. Nothing really to look at there. It's a straight tread. It's nicely defined. I'm not going to take them out of the package, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's in the package there with the tail lights. There's your white walls. Set this over here. Right here. Nice little instruction packet. No decals so far. Maybe it's in the instruction packet. Who knows? I'm dealing with some allergies. The leaves are coming down. I mean, we're right in the middle of fall, obviously, and so that's the reason for my voice being what it is. So we got 3 sets of license plates here with the decal pack. That's what we come up with. We got historic vehicle, South Carolina, and Empire State. So the yellow ones are Empire State, red North Carolina, and the black and white ones, they don't have a plate on them, or a state on them. Maybe Maine. Being black, white with black lettering. Anyway, here's the decal pack, the instruction pack sheet. Got some good instructions with it, good illustrations. Over here we got body colors, interior colors. That's always nice. Willow green. See, Raven black, Star Mist blue, Thunderbird bronze. I like the sound of that one. Inca gold, willow green, gunmetal gray, flame red, dusk rose, coral sand, and colonial white. Let's put a little thought into those colors. What we got here? Okay, we got the clear glass headlights and stuff here. They're nicely packaged. Looks like they're double packaged in there. I won't be taking that apart either for right now. Do the chrome pack. Just put these back in there. On with that. We'll do the chrome package. Yeah, got my kids' shoes from their little art set. Whoa, that's some bright chrome. So I'm in the middle of a street machine build right now. And I'm just experimenting with re-chroming things. So we'll see how that goes. You got your rear taillight housing, your entire grille, front bumper assembly. Looks like some valve covers, your wing, the vent wings, the frame for around the windshield, the rims, all your hubcaps. I guess if you want to do the aftermarket air filters, that one. There are mirrors up on top here. That is like windshield wipers. Those are thin. I'm gonna have to be careful clipping those off there. All right, see what we got in here. It's cold out. We had a first frost this morning. Clear day right now. Nice bright sunny sky out there. But still a little chilly, about 45 degrees out. Don't think I want to stand outside in that. I probably will at some point, just to do some of the videos. Right out of the gate here, we got the dash. Pretty nice looking dash. It's got raised gauge clusters. Nice flat section down here. Yeah, it's a nice flat section. The raised gauge clusters. Looks like the heater assembly right in there. Got gas and brake pedal attached to it with the parking brake. Like the radio's up in here in that centerpiece. Battery, nice battery. All right, so we got one half of the engine ready to come off. Got some nice detail. I'm just going to take that right off there. Missing something over here too. We'll figure that out when we get to it. We got what looks to be a center console right here. We got your radiator, your other engine half. Here's the engine half that we took off. This thing's got some nice detail in it. And the transmission's attached to it. Oh, what do we got here? We got the firewall. You got your fan belt assembly, water pump. Looks like radiator hose here. Probably radiator hose here. I bet this is that's the washer fluid bag. You know what? I'm gonna move closer. I don't like it. Okay. So got your cylinder heads here, oil pan. I don't know what this is. Probably a wiper motor. Other like the front of the engine cover here, probably. Nice, nice so far. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, that's good. So the bottom comes with just the gas tank molded in, and the front frame assembly molded to it. All this other stuff isn't there. I love it when I like it when the exhaust and the rear end assembly isn't molded into the car. I think it's a much better, makes for a much better model. You got that looks a little bent steering column right here. See it or not, but it looks a little bent to me. You can see the bend in it. Nice steering wheel. Got your exhaust right here. Leaf springs for the back. And plate brackets. Alright, what do we got here? The rear end front. Got your drive shaft. These look like supports and mounts for the shock absorbers. Probably a cross member for the transmission. Some coilovers. Got your exhaust and shock absorbers. Alright, this model has some nice detail. You got your interior part of your rims. And it looks like they tried to represent there some the brakes. Probably would have been drums all the way around, I'm guessing. Like front end, like steering knuckles. This looks like the hopped up version. It calls for a six barrel, three 2-barrel carburetors. There's your seats. Nice detail on the seats. All grooved out. Seat backs. And then your hub inserts right here. Oh, tied together. All right, some sort of support. Looks like that might go on the inside of the engine bay. Your rear bucket. Not a bucket, sorry. Your rear bench. Really nice detail on the interior side, the door panels. You got buttons here. Looks like it's probably electronic for windows going up and down and locking. And your door pull. I think that's pretty nice. Fairly impressed with that one. Okay, so here's your fender skirts. This must have been what they meant by the tonneau cover. This thing right here. Kind of a train wreck, ain't I? Fender skirts. And you put the convertible top up. Here's your hood. Got an open hood scoop. Nice, or air vent, whatever you want to call it. It's a big old hood. Look at that thing. Boy. And then you got the front suspension, of course. All right. Looks like it's going to be a fun car to build. Nice big square body. So I started a playlist on my channel for box stock builds, and in that playlist is going to be mostly box stock as well. So like this one, I can see this car being box stock with the exception of like I might want to do like the plug wires, but it's really not enough to make it like it's not highly detailed. It's just got enough in it. Anyways, the body doesn't seem to rock. Probably not much of a. But down on the table here, it doesn't rock. It's got a nice big square body. Like these big square bodied cars. Nice detail. Your plastic's fairly thick, rigid. Nice deep body lines. Now, I don't know. Can't really see them all that great, but they're nice deep body lines anyways for the door panels. This one should be a fun build. This one should be a fun build. Pretty excited about it. Can't believe I haven't taken it out of the package yet. For now. Alright. Move back over here. I can see like right out my windows, see the cars going by. It's kind of a distraction. That'll finish out this video. Appreciate everybody that's following along. Would appreciate it if you would give the video a thumbs up. toss me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it'd be nice if you do subscribe. We've recently started a Facebook group, Glastonbury Designs Model Building. Go over there, you can join up, and you can post your photos or your videos, or I guess talk to each other about advice on model building. At the recording of this video, we're crowding 300, so I'm pretty excited about that. That's really nice. The channel is growing. Maybe it'll be above that by the time this video comes out. But I want to thank you all, everybody that has subscribed, is making this channel a success. Until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe. Everybody stay blessed.